Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be decorating my journal, which is the Sophisticated Florals, and it is for the week of February 21st through the 27th. I am going to be using the Blooms and Icons from Live Love Posh. I think that's one of my favorite books from hers, and I really love these florals, and I wanted more spring in my planner, so that's what I decided. If you are joining me for the first time, welcome to my channel. I hope you like it here, and if you are coming back, welcome back. Thanks for choosing to spend time with me. This plan with me will be very quick. I wanted a lot of room to write in my journal this week. I have a lot of events that I wanted to make sure that I have the space for. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create kind of floral borders for myself, and then I'm gonna be using some colored pens to write in my planner to bring in those colors throughout the spread. So I'm just adding florals. And as I'm adding all of these beautiful florals, did you guys shop the new release? And if you did, what did you end up purchasing? I can't wait to share with you guys what I ended up getting. I'm always excited around this time of year because it's really fun to go and shop the new exciting items, right? So usually watching all of the unboxings and flip throughs as well, and I can't wait till I get my own to show you guys and kind of go from there. So pretty soon. So I am very thankful that I was able to purchase all of the stuff that I wanted. It was a lot of stuff this release, I feel like, and a lot of it was just so beautiful to me. I'm not a Disney fan, so if you are a Disney fan, let me know if you were always a Disney fan or if something kind of prompted you or triggered you to be one. I'm not sure why I really don't enjoy those little characters in my planner spreads very much, but I really don't. So it's very hard for me to explain this, but it's just I love flowers in my planner. I love plants in my planner. I even love characters in my planner, just not necessarily Disney. I don't know what it is about it, but oh well, right? Maybe it's not for everyone. So I'm just gonna add one little girl to my spread, and I think I'm gonna leave it be. It's gonna be the quickest plan with me ever. Super simple. I just wanted to add her with the balloon because February will be over and I won't be able to use her in March because yeah, Valentine's Day. So that's kind of where I am at with the spread, and I'm leaving it be. I'm gonna just simply write in it. What do you guys think? Let me know down below, and I will see you very soon for another video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!